Nagagala sila sa labas. Teka, lumabas na yung blob.
Mahal ka smash everything. Okay. Some of the DPS spread around. And some of the, at GA, can try to catch their blob. Okay. Be northeast pa.
Nahati na yung blob movie. May blob na lumabas. May blob, pero may tier 1 blob na natira sa Terry. Nawala na yung blob sa Terry. Papunta silang southwest.
Smash this wall also. Smash this wall also. People will have this. Ilang percent yung gate?
70.
Hello?
Sa'yo sa'yo pagpasota siya.
Si Cooks nasa northeast.
Careful, but have bombs go down. Defenses wake up.
Nag-spread
Dito na si
yata
John
sila
Chef.
movie.
Nasa loob na si John Chef.
Ayan,
May longbow, X-ray.
pumasok na sila movie.
Anong asan ba nila?
Sa
Dito. Sa isip. Isa daw.
Nandito pa sa west end.
Iwanan ko.
Pumasok na nag-zone in na sa ano.
Yes, so
Nadel.
saan pupunta?
Okay. Kunti pa lang yun nag-zone eh.
Ready to catch. Ready to catch. Spread. Try nyo yung catch. Saan pupunta?
Konti pa lang yun nag-zone.
May isang bomb blob na dito eh. Nasa north sila pupunta.
Dito na ron, north.
Ito, meron dito.
Makakatch mo yan.
Hindi ko makuha mo to. Ito, makuha mo nasa harap. Nagtanga niya.
May gate.
Makakatch mo. Makakatch mo.
Hindi.
Wala.
Okay, spread east side. Spread east side. Guardian start pumping this, gate.
Ito mo yung iba. Andito yung iba.
Okay, spread northeast.
Konti
Yo,
lang.
huwag kayong malapit sa Okay, spread kayo. One guardian support the north side, and then one guardian support the south side.
Mag-food kayo.
Then healers, some healers on the north side, some healers on the south side. Make sure don't stick to the wall.
Copy.
Make sure
Huwag
don't
na
stick to the
ikaw
wall. Defenses get ready. They're dismounted already. Okay, food up. Ilang percent yun?
Likod ka lang, copy.
Nag-rose na iba.
20 to.
Yung wall? O yung gate?
Gate.
Gate 13.
Fake. Southwest. Wait.
Crystal, broken na to.
Yeah. Yo, careful. Huwag mo ano yung mga mobs, man. Yun yung mga mobs. Yo,
Dito lang tayo.
do not hold it. Daddy B, huwag ka masyado sa harap kung hindi ka pupukpuk ng wall.
Ako natitingin dito sa northeast mo.
Yo, tell me if they're engaging Jay, watch it. Yo, Shaper.
Shaper.
Demon! Defend shallow. No name, huwag mong saluin. Ignore yung shoes mo agad. Huwag nyo i-try limit test yung mga damage nila. Okay. Yo, if you don't have boots or clerical, you just come northeast If you don't have boots or
Sige,
clerical,
ikaw
just come northeast.
mag-box na ako.
Just bonk this, okay? Bonk this outside also, this wall.
Magsabay yung isang guardian.
20% na nakita.
Defend. You shouldn't be dying. I'm telling you shouldn't be dying.
Guardians sa front, hindi naman nagro-rotate yung Guardians
Just
dito
heal
na
up and
bobong
support
sa
them,
ano.
okay? Just heal up and support them. You shouldn't be dying. I swear to God if you die.
Tatlo
If
lang
you have
yan,
royal
tatlo
shoes
lang
and you
yan.
die, if you have potions if you die, oh my God, it's fucking...
Up na Demon ko.
16 daw,
Protecting guardians
gate
niya.
mo.
Yeah, just bonk. We play this patiently. Just chill. Okay, come southeast. Start bonking this wall here.
Ako na
Yo,
magagawa.
careful over the wall. Spread northeast side now. Start bonking the wall here. Start bonking the wall.
Shaper.
It's okay, Shaper. Okay, start bonking. Spread now. Start bonking the walls here. Okay. Yo, defend shallow. Okay, now
Diba?
bonk now.
I-rotate nyo lang.
It's okay, just bonk now.
Hindi kayo mamamatay dyan hanggang
Careful,
hindi sila mamamatay dyan hanggang
Bonk,
merong
bonk.
Guardians.
Now bonk.
No, dropping ako.
I need more tanks bonk it.
May brimstone sa west, south.
Okay, ranges tayo.
Okay, careful. Okay. Ilang percent yung wall? Yung etong west side wall, alam ko mas mabilis, mas mapupukpok na to eh. Etong Kudasan
15 na lang yan.
Etong pukpuin nyo muna to, focus nyo muna to para hindi sila lumapit-lapit sa atin.
Engaging.
Ready, defend. Fake.
Hindi, fake.
Full defend na yan. Full defend
Engaging
na.
yun.
Full defend na. Okay, good. Now, ano. If you don't have cleric or boots, just...
Madali lang madali lang
Don't have
makita
cleric or
yung
boots.
engage
Keep
yung
walking,
ano kalaban na
keep
si Sanchar tsaka si Dandy naka ano sila.
Mas GA, ah.
Guard
Naka
tulungan
Tiju.
niya si Wade.
Naka
Shaper,
Dynasty.
Shaper. Come northeast side. You guys be northeast side more, okay? Be northeast side more. Be northeast side more.
Generations tayo,
Yeah, just
generations
bonk this side. Yeah, bonk this side. Focus on
Sige,
this side.
ako.
Focus on this southwest side. Okay?
BTS,
There's
paano na lang, guys.
There's a wall here na
Pag nawala yung
masira.
mark
There's
dun
a
sa
wall here
ano,
na masira.
mag-engage sila.
Ako next.
Yo,
Kalimutan.
ingat sa Shaper, please. Your defense, wait. Oh, good. Now keep bonking now.
May tumitingin na sa south.
Keep bonking. Bonk. Ilang percent na yan?
31.
Careful. Ready, defense. Defend up front. Defend, heal wait. Yo, careful, wala tayong defenses. Okay, wala tayong defenses. Care.
Engaging.
No, bonk. They don't have engage.
PD demon
No
ko,
shape
alert.
engage, no, ano. Heal front.
Hindi mo.
Demon ko.
Guardians, i-rotate, wag niyong pag-overlap.
60 mo na nin lang.
May hot siya gate.
Yeah, careful on the gate, ah.
Generation na.
Ayan.
Game B.
Makikita niyo naman yan pagka ano.
Okay, akala ko.
Pag nag-engage si Lancer, ibig sabihin, engage siya.
Everyone
Huwag
OC
niyo
now.
kalimutan.
Sumitilip yung hodge. Hodge.
Yan o.
They now have a bomb squad also. Listen, enemies. Shaper. Okay, good. Yo, ilang percent yan? Sabihin mo sa'yo pag 1% na lang. Ah.
7.
Okay, yo, don't smash it. Don't fully smash it. Okay, just leave it like 3% or 1%. Okay, yo, no, full smash now. Everyone get ready. Southwest shallow, get ready. Bonk. Southwest shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Guardians at the choke.
1. Southwest shallow. Bakit. Kama.
Pag-guard.
Nice guard,
Hindi mo
Lun.
to.
East.
Wala yung boss ng bagya.
Pull back.
7 second di mo na.
Pull back. Okay, OC now. Okay, now bonk this other gate here, southeast side, okay? Everyone come east side. Yo, look at this tank inside, inside. Perma engage, southwest shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, perma engage, shallow. Ano ka makagad. Ready, defense. Kama. Cleanses. Spread northeast. Defense shallow. Decaller died, okay? Oh,
Hindi pa si Sergio.
Hindi mo na.
Shaper.
Hindi mo na.
Yo, Decaller died, okay? Zancher's calling now, okay? Yo, bump this southeast side now. Heal up on everyone, okay?
15 seconds di mo na.
Yo, Marley ka, get ready. Hold. Southwest shallow. On me only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me only. Bakit back east side. Go back northeast side.
Zancher engaging na, Zancher engaging. Engaging.
Pila. Yo, main engage is coming. Main engage is coming.
Rim.
Come northeast. Pull back.
Di mo
Come
na.
southeast. Yo, we bonk this wall now. Come southeast. Yo, listen. Come southeast. Everyone come southeast.
Huwag niyo kalimutan yung guardians ng mga
Bonk this wall now. Shaper.
Shaper.
Shaper. Okay, come east side, okay? Yo, now spread east side now, okay? Now bonk this wall now.
Madami nagbubong ka.
Yo, careful front, okay? Only like four people.
Brimstone or west?
Engaging.
Okay, now. Yo, everyone get ready. Wait, bomb coming. Careful. Shallow, west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow west side. Okay, kite back. Come. Heal Wayne. Okay, good. Come. Yo, main engage gonna come soon, careful. Death tanks keep bonking. Ilang percent yung wall na yan?
Na-repair nila.
Yung hodge.
Yo, shaper.
Hindi mo
Yo, ilang percent yung wall na to?
Na-repair.
Pre, isang tao lang nag-repair, pre.
Zancher looking ano Northeast.
Hindi naman dapat kayo eh.
Hindi, yun yung
Sabi
tignan
ko,
mo.
Yo, Hodge. Defense shallow.
Engaging. Oh
Yo,
my
bomb
god.
squad's gonna come soon, careful. Southwest over the wall, get ready.
Sige,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest over the wall. Oh, come back. Yo, bomb ka na pa, get ready defenses.
Solo. Gago siya.
Yo, more hammers. Yo, shaper. Yo, I need hammers. Ready defenses, They're gonna look soon, careful. Just hold this head. Pwede nyo rin, yung iba pwede rin hammer yung wall na to eh. Careful, Ilang percent?
46.
Looking ah.
Looking, ready defenses. You're careful. Help front.
Nice, bedrock.
Engaging.
Okay, good. They miss. Everyone start bonking now.
May min-engage pa ah.
No, that was main engage.
Bangs ko dyan.
No, that was main engage.
Main dive.
Bambang.
Shaper. Okay. Yo, help
Bonk ulit, bonk ulit.
front. Just keep bonking. Southwest shallow, get
Konti
ready.
lang
5, 4, 3,
Ang dami
2,
dito,
1.
Sarpan.
Southwest shallow. Come back agad.
Hodge inside, Hodge inside.
Engaging.
Come back agad. Cleanses, come back. You're ready defense on me. Ready defense on the J. Okay? Then bonk. Smash it. Smash.
Guardians of the front.
Ready defense.
Nag-drop na ako,
Defense
nag-drop na
in the
ako.
front. Ready
Ang
defense.
enemy color.
Okay, main color looking. Ready,
Dropping ulit.
careful. Yo, careful. Raymond, too deep, man. You're bedrock with a demon armor. You don't need to be that close.
15, 10.
Saan nakapunta si si Zatcher? Ay si si Dandy.
Shipper.
Nagdi mo na ako.
Now full bomb this. You look at me. On top of me. 5. Wait. After the J. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on me. Okay, call it dead. Zatcher dead. Okay. Now hold. Come back.
Si Dandy na tignan nyo. Look at Dandy.
Destroy that wall. Okay. You listen. We just fire. Yo, careful.
Engaging. Puta.
Oh my god.
Tangina eh. Ang retarded nyo kasi eh. Ba't ang dami nyo kasi dun?
Naglulut sila.
Stupid fucks, man. You start bonking this.
1% move ya. Basag lang.
Yeah, seriously, man. Seriously. Fix yourselves. Bonk this other wall. It's retards, man. Retards.
Looking.
Yeah, waiting for gear. Defense shallow. Everyone, southwest. Everyone, get ready. Yo, west side, shallow. On me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side, shallow. Bakit, back northeast muna. Yo, come northeast muna. Northeast, north. Keep kiting. Let them walk out. Yo, careful front. Help front. Come northeast, on. Yeah. I'm gonna wait for the gears. 5 people dead in party, what? Seriously.
Nakatingin sa dead body.
Naka-inv yung bomber nilang nga.
Spread northeast.
Yung 999, hindi mo nila kasama yun, di ba? Kasama ba nila yun? Solo ba? Cut bomber yun.
Nabam kami ng nasa likod. Sa
Ayan, ako yung loot. Ayan na kayo mag-loot.
Walang nakatingin.
Tama mo, loot. Putang ina.
Looking na sa'yo.
Tata nga rin eh.
Hold north. Ready to headbutt. I'm waiting for the gears.
Halatang namatay sa loot sa dead body.
Come south.
Nawalan ng mark si Dandy pa kayo sabi kay ano.
Yeah, they have a bomb squad on this side.
Walang mark daw, Dandy.
Yeah. Minark ko yung hodge nila. Yo, start bonking this south wall. Ready defenses Spread kayo east side. Huwag kayo north side. Spread kayo east side.
Dropping guard.
Yo, if ever they go out, we kite south If ever they go out, we kite south, okay? Just spread. Yo, somebody watch my south side in case bombs.
Engaging.
Shallow. He'll fall. Oh, now bonk.
Sakit na.
Oh, shipper.
Interruption.
Lagi mo na
Stay far away from it and just bonk this wall here.
Sige, I have. 42 ah.
Yo, careful, they're looking. Ready? Everyone, west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side. Come back. Okay, just hold. Heal up. Yeah, bomb squad still gonna come. Okay. Shaper coming. Baka mag-DP Shaper,
Nandito naman lang yung bomb nasa south.
Shaper.
Engaging.
Defenses.
Nagdi mo na siya.
Okay.
Baya.
Oh,
Dalawang
Putang ina, nare-reset yung hindi ko na po fully reset yung root bound ko. Fucking hell.
Yung tingnan nyo lang na Shaper, yung problema si yung GM ng Helios. Yun lang. Yo, careful north side. Ang dami nyo dyan sa north side. Death tanks. Death tanks ang dami nyo dyan sa north side.
Kami.
Defense shallow. Everyone west side shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side shallow. Ay, come back. Yo. Listen. If they engage, pa-heal yun na lang. Okay? Di ba nag-engage sila? West side? Nakikita nyo? Pag nag-engage sila, i-heal yun yung ka-counter engage yun natin. Okay?
Broken na to.
Good. Comes out. Take space. Take space a bit. Okay? Yo, can somebody clear? Can somebody break this wall here, southwest?
They're looking, ah.
Yeah, ready.
Engaging!
Southwest, everyone. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest now. Oh, come back.
Di mo na.
Yeah, actually, okay. We try something else, okay? And then engage
May
Walker
demon
Potion,
pa.
walk in. We're gonna engage backline, okay? Potions, okay? Because
Okay, cooldown na lang,
you need to
cooldown.
pass the Guardian Armors. Or, I mean, the Knight Armors, okay? On their next main engage, get ready. Deftones, get ready to walk in and hold them, okay? You're ready your potion, get ready. Their engage is gonna come. Get ready to pop your potion, okay? Kahit pa GA yung backline nila, para lang ma-set up, okay? Get ready.
Hindi mo i-catch ko yung backline.
Ready your potions, okay? No fear,
Zanchar alive, Zanchar alive.
Ready. Looking, okay? Looking, ready your potions, okay? Okay, wait. Just hold.
Coming.
Hold. Wait. Step up, everyone. Pop your pots southwest. Walking deep. Walking deep. Just walk. Everything on the gate, west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything now. No.
Nice.
Come back now.
Popping demon,
Come
popping.
back now. Hold them. Desktop help everyone.
Dandy looking ah.
Yo, ready. The looking. Defense shallow.
Engaging.
Okay, desktop walk in. 7 seconds. Hold them on the gate. Hold them on the gate.
Guardians
Take space out now.
South side,
No, on the
meron
gate,
na.
west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate. Wait. Kill these guys, okay? Now spread east side. Take space east side.
South side, bump.
Take space east side.
Bump,
Hill front, okay? Yo, spread east side, okay? Yo, start killing the guards inside. Start killing the guards inside. Heal me. Stop staying on the choke.
Patay ako. Patingan na lang.
Heal me. Yeah. Ready defenses, okay? They're gonna look us. Take space east side, okay? Deftones watch my front.
Pabog nito.
Kill the guards. Open the gate back sa likod. Yo, heal on him. Yo, take space southeast side. Take space southeast side. Yeah, take space southeast side. Yo, open the gate behind, okay? Yo, clear the guards, okay? Ready, absorb one, okay? Ready, absorb one, okay? Wait. Ready? Looking, defense shallow. Keep shaper.
Demon.
Okay? Wait. Yo, healing hood, get ready. Look at the gate. Healing hood. On the gate. Northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Na. Come back.
May shit bomb sa likod ah. Uy, papasok sa southeast.
Spread.
Naging B, ah. Ingat.
Yeah, spread. Yo, get out of the choke. Why are you all on the choke? Come southeast. Push southeast now. Push this. Why are you guys all on the choke? Dude, alam nyo na nga, it was already called that there was a bomb there, but you guys tried to stay on the choke, man. Come follow me, Marlika, follow me. You destroy this wall here. Destroy this wall on the west side. I already said.
Nalabas sila.
There's a, yeah. Okay. Get ready. Southwest, look at southwest. Daddy B, get ready. Southwest 5, Southwest 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest now. No. Now come back. Full kite now. Ready, absorb. Hold them, Deftones, hold them. Spread northeast. Okay? Spread northeast. Keep spreading. Defend now. Defend shallow.
Demon ako.
Demons, heal up. Demons and heals.
Nice.
Destroy this wall here.
CD demon ko, mag-reset pa.
Destroy this wall. Yo, we start killing tanks inside ah. I'm waiting for my life curse and I'm waiting for my root bond. Yo, everything inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything inside. Kite back muna. Kite back is...
Pwede mo patayin yung fortune eh.
Yung Foxy Rune.
Back inside.
Ready. Defend. Help no name.
Sige na ano ko.
Help no name.
Nagdemon ako.
Grabe ito
Okay.
walang capture yung one hammer.
Sige. Okay.
Ingat ah. Southeast may
50
bomb
demon ko.
yung gloves
Yo.
bomb southeast.
Yo, bonk this. Watch ng south side then. Kill the guards here. Yo, ready. They're gonna look. Ready your potions again. We're gonna go deep again. Yo, listen. Yo, yeah. You look at the tank inside. 5. Wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Na. Okay, come back. Daddy B, pag ganun, hatak lang. Wag mo i-guard, wag mo i-earth rune.
Wala akong hatak,
Sige. E di, ganunin mo muna bago ka magano.
Sorry, di ko natamaan. Shaper.
Spread. Yeah, destroy this gate. Destroy this wall south side. We need space, guys. Destroy that wall.
Full heal, please.
Full heal ng front ko. Ready defenses, okay? They're looking. Yeah, ready your potions, ready your potions. We're gonna walk in again.
25 seconds pa
Okay,
rin.
wait, walk in deep, walking deep. Southwest, look at the J. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it on me. Send me. Come back. Sige. They cleric or something. They come like this. Okay, spread now. Spread outside. The bomb is. Main engage gonna look soon. Heal ratios.
Bam, bam. Ay, hindi.
Okay, now heal up.
Wait lang.
Yo, smash this walls outside. You ready? Defense north.
Tang
Look at me.
hammer yan.
DPS, look at me. Shallow, on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me. Kill this tank inside. Okay, na spready side. Sige. Spready side.
North,
Yo, listen.
northeast,
Come
north,
out.
northeast.
Yo, watch out. Yo, listen.
CDD mo pa.
Engage
Bam,
ako.
bam, bam.
Careful south. Come north. Yo, defend front. Okay, nice. Yo, listen. If I say engage on top of me, can I get guard runes on top of me?
Basag na tong wall dito.
Okay, everyone get ready. Defense. Oh my god.
3% na.
Defenses.
Shaper.
Shaper. Everyone southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest. Nice, come back. Yo, pag wala kayong boots, pag wala kayong potions, pag wala kayong kahit anong defenses, huwag niyo i-force.
Tayo.
Spread northeast. Yo, pag-break na tong wall, may sira na to eh.
2% na to. Please.
Yo, ready. Spread. They're looking. Careful inside. Kill Cerezo, why are you that deep? Why are you there? Why? Why is my DPS dying far north side? Konti na nga na DPS ko eh. Ready. Everyone, defend shallow. South shallow.
Di mo na, di mo na
Walk. Just walk. Just walk. Just walk. Yeah, just walk. Shaper. Just walk. Southwest. South. Look at south. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southside. On the come northeast. Hill front. Come east. Hill front. Come east. The whole bomb squad's dead. Come east.
Up demon.
Come east.
Bomber.
Yeah, they miss. Push this east.
Ibang bomber. South.
Push this, guys.
Ito na, annoying ko mga to. Annoying yan mga yan.
Okay, now come back. Come back. Okay, come west. Yeah, get ready, pots, ready your potions, We're gonna walk in again, Get ready your potions, We're
Wala
gonna
akong
walk in.
mogi
Wait. Step up a bit.
10 seconds.
Take space now. You get ready. Pop potion. Walking deep. West deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now. Come back. They're gonna turn here. Ready defenses, They're gonna turn here. Give me knight armors and come back northeast. Give me knight armors, come northeast. Okay. Yeah. Now take space southeast side now. Huwag kayong magstay outside. Take space inside Terry. Mahardika, take space inside Terry and kill the guards. Okay?
Nandito na ulit ako.
Yo, get ready Give me a GA setup Wait, I'm gonna tell you when, okay? Wait If they clump up, you see this west side here? Ito, kung nasaan ako west side.
Yung
Pag
gagard
clump up
yung
sila
ano,
dito pa set
sa
up
may
ng west
north,
side, okay?
sa may
Mag-re-react ako ng mabilis.
Doon tayo.
Yo, ready DPS.
Buhay pa kayo?
Kill the guards inside DPS. Focus on the guards. Q's
Okay.
on the guards.
Sige, go. Another ano.
Ready defenses Hodge is looking. Ready defenses. Hodge is looking. Ready defenses, okay? Yo, may death tanks, you can start blocking the gate there, northwest side, okay? Yo,
May
careful,
mage pala.
Yeah, I see the mage. Huwag kayo sa south
Daddy
side
engaging,
banda.
daddy
Dito lang,
engaging.
east side pa lang.
Wait lang ha.
Okay, pabonk na itong gate na to. Pabonk tong gate na to. Okay, pabonk tong gate na to. Just hold. Yeah, why am I missing now a DPS MLT?
Nandito ako sa baba. Wala
Yung
akong
guard runes
pang-box.
nung front, wala ko nakikita ang guard runes ng front ha.
Yo,
Pakicheck
Q's and
na.
W's in this mage naman. Yo, shaper. Yo, ready
Ready
defenses, Go, everything, wait. Q's and W's on this J. Southwest on the J. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Engaging sa top.
Back.
Wala akong demon.
Okay, na spread.
Sa taas yan, sa taas yan.
Destroy this gate, destroy
Locking
this
pa
gate.
to, locking pa to.
And actually, no. Come not. Let me take space here. Yo, start bonking this wall here. Take space here. Oh, watch the side ko. Everyone take space northeast side. My healers can stay on the choke there, east side. Just ready defenses, ready pushes out. Start bonking the walls here. Shaper. Yung Marley ka, get ready. Healing on top of me. Engaging. Everything on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on top of me.
Oh, okay.
Yo, listen. Heal node early, okay? If I'm gonna engage inside, heal node early. Inside, okay? Ball inside.
Okay, W naman mga nasa dami.
Yeah, he's in the base on the tanks inside. Careful, spread northeast side.
Tara, this day, buong tayo.
Guys, yung guard dun sa harapan may mamamatay dyan, panigurado.
Kill the guards, kiss and abuse. Shaper's looking, okay? Yo, get ready healing nodes on top of me. I wanna kill the tanks, man. Kill this guard.
It's yung envy bomb.
Yo, yeah, defense shallow. Okay, wait. Yo, get ready, healing, yo, help. Okay, no, listen. Wait. West side, look at west side. Healing node west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Healing west. Ah, nice. Good job.
Sige. Garden lang muna doon.
Pag-guards, kawawa yung healer.
He's on the base ng guards. You bonk this wall here. Bonk the walls here.
Sige, meron ako. Ako sa salo.
Bonk the walls here.
Pahila sila.
Tail front.
Wala ding guard dun sa harapan.
Ayan, Yaso.
Kill the guards.
Paper.
Di mo na ako.
Southeast side. Yo, ready. Healing na top, okay? Yo, how many percent is that wall?
Wala, di mo na. 30.
Pabok mo.
77 po.
Meron ako.
Mungkin may mga north. May gumagalaw pa north.
I see it.
Naging si Jojo.
Kasatis. Kill niya. Kasatis.
Teka, hindi ko makapag-transform. Putangin ng Gillion Hood to. May brawl naman,
Healing node, get ready. Look at the gate, west side, healing node, get ready. West side. Wait. Yo, look at the tanks west side, okay? Healing nodes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Healing node. Yo, much earlier, guys.
Dismount mo sa east yung cheater bomber.
Saber.
Di mo na ako.
Walkies. East. Hello, following me. Hello. Yo, come south. Pakatch yan. Hindi na catch.
Sobrang annoying makakapatay sila.
Reset ka na. Yo, can we kiss and the reason this battle mode? This mode na to eh. Yo, get ready. Healing node, can you set up already on top of the tanks already? Yo, get ready wait. Careful front. Careful. West side Wait. Yo, healing node west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. Hit everything on me.
Keeper.
I'm Demon.
Heal up.
May demon
Yo,
pa.
careful. Ready, said. Kailangan natin mapatay yung mga tanks sa taas. Lancely, low HP ka na. Pwede ka na mag-pot dyan. Hello, Lancely.
Patay.
Engaging!
Okay. Hindi ka pa mamatay. Yo, look at inside on the tanks. Healing node on inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Healing node inside. Yo, can I get guard rune fast on top of me? Can I get guard rune on top of me?
Mga offensive guard runes, yung mga
Good. Everyone just hold.
Looking
Sige, mag-guard na ako. Teka lang.
Yo, hold. They're looking Get out of the gate. Shaper.
Resetting.
Hindi ako pag-guard.
Engage na namin tanks on that side.
Ba't namatay? Oh my god.
Tatangan nyo. Come notice. Tatangan nyo. Yung buong game nasa south side, nasa southeast side. Anong dinedepensa nyo sa north side? Sabihin nyo sana, anong dinedepensa nyo sa north side? Explain.
Hill front.
Ilfrance is squid.
What are you guys defending on north side? Tell me why you have to be so stupid. Tell me.
Hold nyo muna guard dun.
What's on the north side? There's a wall there. Majority of my zergs on the southeast side, on the east side. So why are you north side? Why? Yeah, think about it. You're ready. Everyone, healing nodes, get ready. Not west side. Healing nodes, west side. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, back. They're gonna look here. Ready defenses.
Sakto lang locus ko.
more tanks dies on the north side. And I wonder why, to be honest. I really wonder why. Reset your cooldown.
They're moving out, ah.
Yeah,
Careful.
let them. Ready your potions, we're gonna walk in deep. Ready, Poppy Pots walking deep. Poppy Pots walking deep. Def tanks hold them, southwest side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, southwest side. More damage. Spread east side. Okay, nice try.
Dam Lord, ilagin villa.
Defend now, full defend.
Natutulak ako.
Spread northeast. Kill Yotob.
30 seconds, demon
Why is
pa.
Yotob dying? Why is Yotob dead?
Shaper.
Wala ang
Hindi
demon, ah.
siya ng bomb na ano.
Nice try, si Bal.
Hindi setting.
Ay, naku. Ano pa ako kinamamatay?
10 seconds, demon.
Nandin ako.
Everyone get ready. Fuck. Gobo ng tanks ko ngayon, so wait lang. Looking
Engaging.
Up front. Okay, wait. Everyone, full send it west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, everything in the west side.
Uy!
Shaper, demon that shaper. Come back. Spread northeast.
Holy shit.
Yeah, we're gonna beat them outside Terry now. Come northeast. Yo, cleanses, garden. Come northeast, garden. Come.
Swing.
Keep coming, help point. Keep coming north. Yo, walk out. Follow, sir. Death tanks if you die again. Waiting for my DPS shoot here. How many people in party 2 DPS?
Dalawa.
Okay. I need more DPS.
DPS pala ako.
Look at these guards. Are they following?
4 minutes OC.
Yeah, double OC. Are they following?
Hindi.
Why are they not following?
Check your foot.
Are they not following?
Hindi. Nakamount sila.
Lumabas yung iba.
Yeah. Try to catch.
Mag-defensive sa kami. Mag-defensive sa iyo ba sa inyo?
Andito yung soul site, ah.
Southwest shallow. Get ready. 5. Everything on the J. 4, 3, 2, 1. Full engage on the J. On the J. Okay, now wait, they're gonna turn here. They're gonna turn here. Okay, Ready. Defenses. Defend shallow now. Everyone walking. Left and pull them. Ayo, pop potion and walking. Yo, we're gonna kill the tanks inside of us. DPS find me. Everything, get ready. Northeast side, on top of me. 5. Wait, after the night armors. Everything on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it on me.
Hard CD yung ano ko, Hard CD yung root bond ko.
Spread northeast now. They're gonna come here.
CD lahat,
Spread. Yo, Zancher's inside. Spread.
Hindi yung cheater bomb. Side.
Defenses, okay? Heal northeast.
Cheater bomb inside. Hindi.
Wait, Mariko, spread. Demon out, inside, okay? Walk southwest. Mariko, we're gonna engage again, on top, Ali, bakit ka nandyan? Come northeast.
Sumusunod sila, Mugi, ah.
Tanks, my fucking DPS, my death tanks, my DPS, I'm out of DPS, my death tanks are dying.
Mugi, sumusunod sila.
Holy shit, man, Just walk. And DPS are you guys gonna do here? I'm gonna wait. If you guys are gonna do, I'm gonna wait.
Yeah.
Second food. Just walk. Hindi dismounted.
Yung iba, dismounted yung iba.
3 na lang potion ba?
Kapalo ko ng shaper, oh.
Pakatch.
Pakatch ko to,
ah. Saan?
Kailan. Tatalon ako yan, shaper na yan.
Ping.
Umalis.
How many DPS party 2?
Tatlo.
Nawala na
Okay,
yung
sige.
shaper, nawala na.
Everyone, catch this guys, catch front, kill front.
Ay, gago.
Puta nga, mali pa na uli mo. Yo, spread northeast side. Just hold. Yo, double OC food up.
Dismounted
guys.
sa bridge, dismounted sa bridge.
Yeah. Let them pass through. Let them pass through. I swear, if somebody dies on the choke, I'm gonna fucking fume. Shaper, careful. Shaper.
Kaming shaper ata. Wait lang.
Yo.
Hindi mo na.
Yo. I'm waiting for DPS. Really. I'm waiting for Spike. I see Spike. Ano, Squid? Pangatlong beses mo na namatay this ano? This
Andoy. May
Pangatlong beses mo na namatay. Come on, teams. Dude, can they fucking play open one? Yo, can you catch this? Patayin niyo lahat ng makita niyo.
Sumusunod sila Mugi.
Yeah. They're passing the choke?
Yeah.
Okay. Yo, kamis pa. Yo, death tanks, ang layo nyo sa akin. Kamis pa. Spread. Yo, get ready to hold them on the choke. Don't let them go back to the choke. Yo, ready. Pajay na choke. Yo, pajay na choke. Everything on the choke. Southwest shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest shallow. Yo, demon in front. Come east. Come back. Spread northeast. Okay. Now wait. Walk in now. Get ready to pop your potions. Just walk in. Guard. Yo, ready Wait. Walk in. Okay, pop your potion now. Potion now. South side. Potion. South side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Now walk in. Keep walking. Now spread now. They're gonna turn. Defenses. Full defense. Full. Yo, can you guys spread instantly? After engaging, spread instantly. Heal front. Yo, heal. Where are the healers? Chrono died because there's no healer. Keep walking. No fear. Keep walking. We win open world. Keep walking. Death tank. Yo, look at me. Southwest. 5, south, 4, 3, 2, 1. South now. Hit this on me. Now spread again. They're gonna look. Spread again. They're gonna look. Now, defense now and walk in. Defense and walk in. Keep pushing. Death tank, keep holding. GA if you can, keep holding. Full hold now. Look at this choke here on me. Look at Zancher. Everything on Zancher. Get ready on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it on me. Kill guys inside. Okay, now spread northeast. Get out of the choke again. Spread northeast. Yo, D-clump. I know they're looking. Defense seaside. Okay?
Buti walang damage yung bring.
Come back north. Yo, healers, if I say full push, just push it, man. You know, you can play on the sides. Ang tagal dun ni Chrono. Nag-aantay ng ill. Wala, patay. Can you guys, if I tell you,
Kami sa bridge.
didn't you guys pop your potions?
Hindi kasi yung big heal ko.
Come northeast. You kill this. Ano? Lumalabas ba sila ulit? Come northeast.
Wait lang, check.
Sumusunod sila.
Yeah, let them follow. We can fight them, ano. KFPD is fast. Di ba? Come northeast.
Magka-cleanse na lang ako.
Following sila.
Yeah, everyone get ready. Boots up east side.
May stop ko tumugi sa choke. Kasi tangin mo.
Boots up east side. Uy, wait lang. Bakit? Yung mantap.
Crossing sila.
Wait. Sige. Dismount comes out. Saan sila?
Wala, hindi tumuloy.
Yung mantap. Are they not walking out? Comes out east. Pa-watch. Everyone comes out. Yeah, dismount. Dismount. From west side. Catch if you can. Catch all of them. Catch them. Wala man lang na-catch. Okay. Come back northeast. Sige.
Guys, ang layo yun.
Come back east. Let them. We pull them back. They keep hiding in their territory. Come back.
Pero pang mga yun
Yo, don't attack that beetle. Just keep cutting. Are they coming?
Yeah. Just dito lang
Yo, follow me. Hello, hello, hello.
Ba't nagpunta sa choke?
Hello. Follow me.
Lamaw ko ulit. Palayo.
Chill. Oh, sige. Huli mo. Come northwest. Catch him. Catch him. West side. Look at west side shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side shallow on me.
Kasi yung DPS nila.
Ay.
Hindi mo makita yung DPS nila. Puro tank
Come east
yan.
side. Come southeast side. Take space outside. Come south.
Andito yung andito yung
Come south.
ilang
Keep
mobi.
coming south. Just follow me. Come south. They're hiding inside their terry. Come south.
Catch ko to, Mogi. Andito sila.
Ang layo niyan, pre. 2 screens away yan. Come southeast. Mantap nga. Puro sila terry.
Ano sila? Apil sila.
Come northeast.
Looking at.
Looking.
I'm mounted.
Huli si Raymond.
Dismount. Yo, Raymond, catch mo na. Nandiyan ka na rin naman eh.
Putang ina, natulog na ako.
Southwest shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest on me. Okay, now push in and spread. Push in and spread. Hold them. Push in and spread. They're gonna engage soon. Get ready defenses. Push in and spread. Defense now. Put proper potion defense now. Okay, keep walking northwest now. We're gonna full engage on the choke. Get ready. Hold them on the choke. Full hold on the choke, please. Full hold on the choke. Everything. Send it on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it on me. More DPS. Okay, come back. Sige, come back. Wala na. Come back. Miss opportunity. They don't have engage yet. Miss opportunity. Defense shallow. Nice defenses. Okay? Sold. Dami na sa oras dito. Teteri na sila. Yo, DPS. Ready. Load Zancher. Everything on Zancher. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on Zancher. Come back.
Hibal.
Yo, they're gonna engage. Engage coming soon. Ready your potions. Do you have potions?
Wala.
Yo, listen, get ready. Yo, copy pots walking.
Guard room, guys.
Guard
the
pots
choke.
walking. Hold them. Yung north side.
Guard runes pa sa choke.
North side on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it on me. Send it. More damage. Come south. I mean, dude, the reason bakit pinapapop ko kayo ng potion kasi mas madali eh. Defense shallow.
Invi-bomb sa south ng Invis South side.
Spread. Demon behind. Come southwest. Yo, come on. Catch this guy. Ito yung bomb. North side. Yung nasa north side. Man, catch nyo.
Ingat over the
Yo,
wall.
careful over the wall. Nag-engage sila. Sige lang. Catch that guy. Wala ba makakatch sa kanya? Fucking solo bomber there. Keep
Yo,
on.
good time!
Matap. Tigil na natin. Come Nartis.
Takbo sa...
Sabihin sa'yo pag may nahuli Rico pa may Marley ka. Keep kami Nartis. Yo, listen.
That's one
Again, I'm
minute.
trying to minimize the casualties, right? 3 times in this whole fight, I had like 4 or 5 tanks die.